Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by joining the meeting now. Sign into your Google account and open Meet. Once done, pick the camera and mic you will use and verify them in the preview. This avoids surprises. Make sure your presentation file is open or a tab is pinned, and close unrelated apps that hog CPU. If possible, use wired Ethernet or stay close to the router to reduce lag. With these basics in place, click Join or Present when the host allows. Once you're in, choose Present Now and pick the right option: entire screen, a single window, or a Chrome tab. For slides with video or embedded audio, share the Chrome tab and check Share Audio. This ensures synced sound for everyone. If you use speaker notes, open Presenter View in a separate window and share only the slide window. Make sure to mute your mic when not talking and unmute briefly to field questions. This keeps the audio clean and professional. To finish, click Stop Presenting and confirm any recording or chat notes you need to save. If something goes wrong mid-presentation, try toggling your camera, switching the microphone in Meet settings, or refresh the tab. Rejoin if necessary. For persistent audio lag, disable outgoing video and reconnect using Ethernet or a different network, and consider asking attendees to switch to audio only. These quick steps get you back on track while preserving the flow of your presentation and the audience's attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.